Make a video
Take
for
this
Dad. Show him what you're doing.
Look at that, look at that. Fell apart.
You don't eat Play-Doh.
Disney Tactics
Ah.
Weekly.
Yeah. Oh, just
Today
hit
at 5
close.
p.m.
Yeah, just hit close.
Today at 5 p.m. conference call.
That's my conference call. Other people are gonna. Oh, you want to take this Play-Doh ball?
Do you have to do a conference call at 5?
No, I'm having somebody else lead it.
Oh.
You can stop it if you want.
Oh,
Just stuck to your hand.
make it. You better eat a little. You better eat a little more flour. You better have a little more flour.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We have to rub it off your hand. Just go.
Rub your hands back and forth real
together,
good.
Yeah. Flick that Play-Doh off. Go like this. I thought you were supposed to be down on your knees.